In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a QR code for your Microsoft Forms. Whether you're organizing an event, conducting a survey, or just collecting data in a way that's easy and accessible, using a QR code can significantly boost your response rates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate a QR code for your Microsoft form with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to Microsoft Forms. For those of you who aren't familiar, Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and polls. It's pretty straightforward to use, and best of all, it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office products. Now, assuming you're not already signed in, the site will prompt you to log in. Click on the sign in button and enter your credentials. If it's your first time using Microsoft Forms, don't worry. The interface is very user-friendly, and getting around should feel intuitive. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms live. You can see both the ones you've created and those that have been shared with you. For our purpose, we're interested in the forms you've created, so go ahead and select an existing quiz form from your dashboard. If you haven't created a form yet, I would highly recommend exploring this feature and coming back to this tutorial once you've got a form ready. With your form selected, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the page. Look for a button labelled Present. Clicking on this will take you to a new page designed for presenting your form in various formats, including as a QR code, which is exactly what we're after. Here you'll find the option to scan a QR code. Upon selecting this option, Microsoft Forms will generate a unique QR code for your form. This QR code can be downloaded, printed, or shared digitally. What's fantastic about this feature is that it allows people to access your form by simply scanning the code using their smartphone cameras, making it incredibly convenient to get responses. Once the QR code is generated, you have the option to copy the link directly. This link leads to your Microsoft form, giving you an alternative way to share your form alongside the QR code. You can send this link via email, text message, or even embed it on a website, providing you with multiple avenues to gather responses. You might be wondering, what do you do with the QR code after generating it? The possibilities are practically endless. Print it on flyers for an event, display it during presentations, or put it on business cards. By making your form this accessible, you're likely to see a higher response rate, which is always the goal when gathering information. A pro tip before we wrap up, make sure to test your QR code before distributing it. A quick scan with your phone will take you directly to your form, ensuring everything is working as it should. It's a simple step, but one that's crucial to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Microsoft Forms, ready to be used in any way you see fit. This method not only simplifies the data collection process, but also embraces the modern, tech-savvy world we live in. Remember, the key to a successful form is not just in its creation, but in how you distribute it. With the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to maximizing responses and engaging with your audience in a convenient and modern way. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy form building!